Hello, welcome to The New Sound. Today we'll explore what a riser is and how it relates to the music we make. A riser in music production is a sound effect that sounds like a musical ramp-up, creating anticipation to transition into the next section of a track. Risers are often used in electronic music, film scores, and even pop tracks, and are key in building up a drop or creating a climactic movement in a song. You can create risers using synthesizers, samples, or even by manipulating natural sounds. Let's look at some riser examples. As you can see, risers are not just sounds. They are tools to control the emotional journey of your track. Used effectively, they can transform a good track into a great one. Thanks for watching. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.